Hi, my name's Becky and I'm from Speech and Language Therapy. You're watching this video because you've had a pack sent home to explain what word finding difficulties are, because your speech and language therapist has suggested that your child has word finding difficulties. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to have a look at some resources and to see how we can help your child get over some word finding difficulties that they might have. So one of the resources that we use is our strategy strip. So this teaches a child different strategies to remember a word. We use a strategy strip because children need to learn lots of features about a word, so it gets stored in their brain in a really good place with lots of information about it, and this means when they go to retrieve the word next time, they can retrieve it more efficiently. So the strategy strip goes through each individual section. So categories, a child can learn what category that word belongs to. So if it's the word fox, they can learn it's a category of animals. You can either go into subcategories, so if it's the word chicken, you can say it's an animal, but it's a farm animal. So you can ask the child to draw it, talk about it. So for example, a fox it comes out at night time and it's brown and it's got fur. It begins with a f sound, so the first letter. You can see how many syllables in it, so chicken has 2 syllables, chicken, and clap it out, and then what it sounds like, so fox might sound like box. So this is our strategy strip. So the second resource we've got is our word wheel or word web, and there's a few different versions of this depending on how old your child is. So the word wheel, you can put the word in the centre, and schools and works well at schools or at home. You put a word in the centre and you can teach the child a lot of different features about this word. It works well for children that have learning lots of new words and new vocabulary, but also for the children that forget that word, so they can learn lots of features. So it might suggest, so if the word's table, we can talk about where we would find that word. So we would find a table in the kitchen, what we do with it, so we would eat off a table. And we could also talk about words which are similar to a table, so a desk or a table. So that's your word wheel. There's lots more resources and support on our presentation that we've sent out and on our website. So have a look on that presentation. There is some games you can play and some website links. And if you need any other support, you can contact us on 01253 95 1101 and get in touch with your speech and language therapist. Thank you. Bye.